In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create an attribute using bucketed measures, also known as binned measures in Oracle Fusion Data Intelligence or FDI. Bucketed measures offer a unique way to analyze numerical data. For example, if I want to categorize my orders by order size for a histogram, I can do so with a bucketed measure. I'll start with my dataset in the preparation script pane. I would like to create order size buckets from the quantity ordered data column. I'll right-click on the column and select Bin. The Bin step editor appears, which allows me to define how I would like to bin or bucket this measure. First, I'll name it Quantity Ordered Bin 1 and set the number of bins to 5. I'll keep the default method set to manual. Next, I'll define the numerical size range and name for each of the bins. I'll set the first bin for order size between 1 to 10, then the next for 11 to 20, and so forth. I'll do the same for the bin names. I can see a preview of what this column would look like. To add this new column to the dataset, I'll select Add Step. I'll confirm the new column is properly assigned next to the original column, and this bucketed measure is ready to be used for analysis and visualizations in a workbook. Find more videos in this series and additional resources on using Oracle Analytics and Fusion Data Intelligence in the links below.